Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Gilgamesh anime Vanguards. First, let's understand what this exciting game entails. It's a thrilling experience combining anime aesthetics with strategic Vanguard combat. We'll cover the essential steps to acquire and set up the game on your preferred device. This guide ensures you have all the necessary information to dive into the action quickly and efficiently. Get ready to embark on an epic journey with your favorite anime-inspired characters and powerful vanguards. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the game's official website or its designated digital storefront. For many, this means platforms like Steam, Epic Games Store, or a dedicated publisher portal. Once there, search for Gilgamesh anime Vanguards. You'll typically find a clear option to purchase or download the game. Ensure your system meets the minimum specifications, which usually include at least 8 GB of RAM and a modern graphics card, to guarantee a smooth experience. After successfully acquiring the game, locate the downloaded installer file, often found in your Downloads folder. Double-click it to begin the installation process. You'll be prompted to select an installation directory. The default location is usually fine, but you can choose another if you prefer. Follow the on-screen prompts, which typically involve accepting terms and conditions. Once installed, launch the game and complete any initial setup, like creating an account or playing through a brief tutorial, to fully prepare for battle. To truly enhance your Gilgamesh anime Vanguards experience, take some time to adjust the in-game settings. Experiment with graphics options to find the best balance between visual quality and frame rate for your system. Many players find that reducing shadow quality or anti-aliasing can significantly boost performance. Also, consider joining the game's official forums or Discord server. These communities offer invaluable tips, strategies, and a great way to connect with fellow Vanguards. Enjoy your journey into the world of Gilgamesh anime Vanguards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.